And they were roommates.
Oh my god, they were roommates.
Whoa! Hurricane Katrina! More like Hurricane Tornado.
Road work ahead? Yeah, I sure hope it does.
We all die. You either kill yourself or get killed.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Hi, my name's Derek. Welcome to Pizza Hut. Let me guess, pizza.
Get to Del Taco. They got a new thing called free shavacadoo. Free shav.
I thought you were bae. Turns out you're just fam. Bruh.
Let me hop out the Porsche, I don't wanna hit that.
Shut the up.
No.
Yeah! That was legitness.
Yeah, it was, huh?
What the fuck, Richard?
It sounds like something she'd say. I like that laugh.
I do love working here. It's just, we all have a lot of laughs.
Fuck off, Janet. I'm not going to your fucking baby shower.
Hey, I'm lesbian.
I thought you were American.
Did you wash the dishes?
I thought you wanted to do that.
You were wrong.
A potato flew around my room before you came.
It's gonna eat you.
Oh my god, Sylvia. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, Sylvia.
Dad, look, it's the good Kush.
This is the dollar store. How good can it be?
How do you know what's good for me? That's my opinion. Oh my god.
Duke, do you want the ball?
So basically, what I was thinking of was, oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this.
We're breaking free.
Ma, they following me, Ma. They following me.
Who following you?
These, the bugs.
The bugs!
Photo. No.
Hi.
Okay.
Is it rude?
Right now.
Yeah! Yeah!
So no head?
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed to sneeze.
Saw you hanging out with Caitlin yesterday.
Rebecca, it's not what you think.
I won't hesitate, bitch.
Run.
Two bros chilling in the hot tub, 5 feet apart, cause they're not gay.
What you say? What you say?
I said, whoever threw that paper, your mom's a hoe.
You remember one time I liked you? No? Good, cause never happened. Aha.